I figured I'd do a video on this again. I fixed the buzzing problem with the globe by putting some tape around the top of it, and now it doesn't buzz anymore, but the fan works perfectly fine. It does hum still, but that is not as bad as the buzzy globe. See, it runs a lot quieter now. And for this little fan being in a big room like this, it actually moves quite a bit of air. Probably feel it. I don't know. Medium. Feel it, I mean hear it. Whatever. See, it's a lot quieter. And that is what I needed. This thing ain't gonna stay in here. I just hung it up to test it out because I wanted to see if it worked or not. And it does. I don't think they make these in brass anymore. Here's all off. So there is the Encon Petite again. This time without the buzzy globe, which I will admit it runs a lot nicer now than it did before. I'll stop the blade. So, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.